For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. May God bless you. Amen. Pathianin khovel a mangai em a chuti chuan a fapamal nei chun a pe a ama chu tu po a ringa piang an boral lova chatuana nun na an nei jok nan tu po I suaring a piang kan boral lovong lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.